If this video showed up on your feed, it's worth seeing how far AI 3D modeling has come. Not long ago, creating a 3D model meant learning complex software and endlessly tweaking details. Now, with just a single image, AI can generate a usable 3D model, sometimes even ready for 3D printing. What you're seeing here, SpongeBob, was created using Hifer's AI modeling tool. No experience needed. Upload a reference image, wait a moment, and the model is generated automatically. And it's not just close enough. The box-shaped body, big eyes, iconic expression, and overall proportions are captured accurately. It's instantly recognizable. Once it's ready, you can export the model right away. Whether you want to refine it, use it for animation or games, or send it straight to a 3D printer, it's very beginner-friendly. What used to take money, time, and endless trial and error can now be done in just a few minutes with AI. Next, I'll show you some models I've generated before. If you're into IP redesigns, blind boxes, collectibles, or turning your favorite characters into 3D models quickly, Hifer is definitely worth checking out. If you're interested, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments who you'd like to make.